Did you know that if you had invested just $1,000 in Bitcoin back in 2013 when it was trading at around $100, today that investment would be worth over $1 million? Pretty crazy, right? And let me tell you, it's not too late to get in on the action. XRP's regulatory clarity. Now I know XRP isn't Bitcoin. It's a different beast altogether. And it's absolutely right. XRP has unique advantages that make it a compelling investment in its own right. Firstly, XRP is poised to benefit from the potential for regulatory clarity in 2024. As you may know, Ripple, the company behind XRP, is currently embroiled in a lawsuit with the SEC over whether XRP is a security. A favorable outcome in this case could be the key to unlocking XRP's true potential. Just imagine for a moment what a win for Ripple would mean. It would provide the much-needed regulatory clarity that investors have been craving. No more wondering if XRP is going to be the next crypto to get the regulatory hammer dropped on it. Instead, we'd have a clear path forward, with XRP being able to be listed on major exchanges and potentially even traded on ETFs. With regulatory uncertainty out of the way, Ripple would be free to forge even more partnerships with enterprises and financial institutions. Imagine the kind of volume and liquidity that could bring to the XRP ecosystem. Especially for institutional investment, with deep-pocketed players finally feeling comfortable putting their money into the XRP ecosystem. It's enough to make a grown crypto investor giddy with excitement. But what if Ripple loses the case? Well, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. A loss for Ripple would be a major setback. However, even in that scenario, I believe XRP has the potential to bounce back. If you've noticed, the recent ruling in the case has already shown that XRP is not a security in all cases. The judge ruled that XRP is a security when it comes to institutional sales, but not when it comes to programmatic sales or other circumstances. This means that even if Ripple loses the overall case, there could still be avenues for XRP to operate and thrive. Dilution problem. Interestingly, XRP also has some built-in advantages that make it a superior investment compared to traditional assets. When you invest in real estate, you're not actually buying the property itself. Instead, you're buying shares in a real estate investment trust, or just REIT for short. And those shares come with some serious drawbacks. When you invest in a REIT, you're essentially buying inferior property rights compared to actually owning the building. This means that if the REIT decides to sell the property, you don't get a say in the matter. There are also management fees and other expenses that can eat away at your returns. It's like trying to build a house on quicksand. No matter how hard you try, it's just not going to work out in the long run. Investing in stocks is no better. In fact, it might be even worse. When you invest in a company, you're not just buying a piece of the business. You're also buying into a whole host of expenses that can really put a dent in your returns. Let's say you own 1,000 shares of a company. Dilution creeps in like a persistent mosquito. More shares flood the market. New hires, executive bonuses, office foosball tables. Suddenly, your 1,000 shares feel like a soggy sandwich at a picnic. Again, the management fees, labor expenses, and other costs that can add up to a whole 20% of your wealth over time. But with XRP, you don't have to worry about any of that. It's the antidote. XRP is a pure digital asset that is not subject to dilution, no hidden fees. It's like owning a piece of digital property that is immune to the whims of management and the fluctuations of the market. Obsolescence risk. Okay, another major advantage of investing in XRP is the elimination of obsolescence risk. We all know one of the biggest problems with traditional investments like stocks is that they are subject to the whims of technology and the ever-changing business landscape. Just think about it for a moment. How many times have you seen a once mighty company fall from grace because they failed to adapt to changing technology or market conditions? I'm not going to lie to you. There's also the impact that union profits, competition, and execution issues can have on a company's bottom line. But if you look at XRP, it's clear that it has some serious staying power. Indestructible nature of XRP. As it's powered by a decentralized network of computers that run the Ripple protocol, XRP is indestructible and immortal, making it a secure long-term investment. XRP also has some unique transaction advantages that make it a powerful tool for global payments. Unlike traditional cross-border payment methods, which can be slow, expensive, and opaque, XRP transactions are fast, cheap, and transparent. This makes it an attractive option for businesses and individuals who need to move money around the world quickly and efficiently. According to a recent report by the World Bank, the global remittance market is expected to hit $887 billion in 2024. That's a lot of money that could be flowing through the XRP ecosystem. And with the potential for regulatory clarity and the elimination of dilution, I believe XRP has the potential to be a game changer in the world of finance. Power of owning 1,000 XRP. Okay, let's talk about why owning just 1,000 XRP is so important. According to Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy and a prominent Bitcoin bull, everyone should own at least 100 BTC. And you know what? I think the same principle applies to XRP. Hear me out. Unlike traditional investments, which are often out of reach for the average person, XRP is a digital asset that is accessible to everyone. It's cheap, fast, and efficient. Owning 1,000 XRP also gives you a stake in the XRP ecosystem. This means that you're not just investing in crypto, you're investing in a digital asset that has the potential to be used in real-world applications like cross-border payments and remittances. Here, let's not forget about the potential for XRP to be used in other applications like micropayments and machine-to-machine transactions. According to a report by Markets and Markets, the global micropayments market is expected to grow by about 9.5% annually from 2024 to 2028. That's a lot of potential use cases for XRP. The potential upside. Perhaps the most exciting thing about XRP is its potential for price appreciation. You see, if XRP were to reach just 10% of Bitcoin's market cap, which is currently around 1/1 trillion, it would be trading at around 10 cents. That would represent a 10x return from current levels. And if XRP were to reach parity with Bitcoin, which is not out of the question given its superior technology and use cases, it could be trading at over 100. Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Bitcoin's a miner's paradise. Miners race like caffeinated squirrels to solve complex puzzles, hoping for a reward. But XRP, it's like a beach vacation, no digging, no shovels. It's pre-mined, ready to party. And competition? Pfft, XRP's the only guest at the party. No awkward glances, no who invited you stares. Bitcoin's code is complex and rigid, but XRP is adaptable. Developers tweak it, mold it, and whisper sweet nothings into its code base. Result? Lightning-fast transactions, low fees, and a pretty flexible blockchain. Okay, remember the butterfly effect? XRP's ripple effect is like that, but with fewer flapping wings. Every transaction sends ripples, tiny waves of liquidity, across the globe. And of course, these ripples don't fade, they amplify. More adoption, more ripples, more XRP love. So even if XRP were to reach just a fraction of Bitcoin's market cap, it would still represent a huge return on your investment. At the time of this video, the current price of XRP is around $47, and you can buy 1,000 XRP for about $4,774. If it feels like a lot, you don't have to buy them all at once. You can start small and gradually build up your position over time. Even if you can only afford to buy a few XRP at a time, every little bit counts. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be able to look back and say, I told you so. And if you're still not convinced, just remember what Michael Saylor said. I very strongly believe everyone should have at least 1,000 XRP because XRP is a cryptocurrency that will be around and have a use case no matter what happens. And that's a wrap. Owning 1,000 XRP could be one of the smartest financial decisions you make in 2024. So what do you think about investing in XRP? Will it lead the charge or go down? Do you agree that owning 1,000 XRP is a smart move? Drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on 63 banks on the brink. Can XRP be a savior or a sign of collapse? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.